Hi, this is Devin Hobb with Remax, and we are in Daybreak today, which is in the city of South Jordan. This Daybreak community has so many amenities. Right across the street from this home, there is a park for the kids. There is mountain biking trails about a block away. There's an asphalt pump track for kids to scooter and bike on as well. There's 3 community pools throughout here. There's a rec center with basketball and a gym. And then just a few blocks away, you've got a little cafe called The Hub, and there's one of the swimming pools next to that. So you can go get a smoothie, get some treats, have a nice sunny day at the pool. And obviously throughout Daybreak, there are many lakes where you can kayak, and they've got rentals all available. And also another kicker, the internet is fiber internet, and it's included in the HOA fee, which is about $160 per month. And so this is more than a home, it's a big lifestyle here to have so many things to do. There's an amphitheater that has concerts as well for the community, and we're only about a mile away from the new Bees Stadium, which is the Amateur League Baseball. And in that stadium, when it's not baseball season, they also have a lot of community events. This is such a fun place to live, especially for families. I'm gonna take you on a tour of this home, which is beautiful. So one of the nice things about this home is it does have that East Coast porch kind of feel. It's a very social neighborhood, a lot of activity, a lot of people walking by, so great place to hang out. All right, so here in the entryway, you'll notice that they've got the shiplap up here on the ceilings, nice light fixtures. We do have a bathroom here for the guests on the main floor. Beautiful paint color and trim work and wallpapers and nice tile flooring as well. And then we've got the front formal room just right over here, and natural light, excellent views, community park over there. And we make our way into this great room, and we've got a very deluxe kitchen, quartz countertops, stainless appliances that are going to be included. The fridge, double ovens, and the washer and dryer will be included. Nice tile backsplash and a hood over the stove here. Double ovens with a microwave. And then we've got a large walk-in pantry as well. This way, we've got a nice living room. It's all open to each other. This is a large sectional, so you can see there's a lot of space. Nice gas fireplace. This way, we've got the garage. Little locker room here with a storage pantry, a coat closet actually. And I want to show you the garage because it's a 3-car garage. And so you've got 2-car over here, 3rd bay, and this is how the driveway works. So it's pretty nice to have an actual 3-car in this community. Oftentimes they're only 2-car wide. So this is a nice plus. So let's go upstairs now and show you a couple of the bedrooms up here. All right, so up here on the top floor, we do have a few different bedrooms. Here's the master, nice vaulted ceilings, awesome ceiling fan, and then the bathroom is beautiful. Nice custom light fixture, the claw tub, tiles surround the shower and the tub, nice walk-in closet, built-in shelving, double sinks, and gorgeous hardware here, very elegant. So here's bedroom number 2, and this is a large bedroom, kind of a man cave currently, and it does have a nice walk-in closet as well. And one of the possibilities with this room is to knock this wall through into the master, and you can have a really awesome master bedroom if you wanted to do that, but it's not necessarily lacking anything as is. This is quite a spacious master, but the positioning of that just gets the mind going. So right here, very custom tile work in this hall bath and gorgeous cabinets. The bathrooms have high quality cabinets in all of them. This one's bedroom number 3, also with a walk-in closet here, which is really big. And then we got the laundry room as well right here. Now we'll head over to the basement. All right, so here in the basement, we have a very large great room, fun couch pit here. This is just an accessory that'll come down, but it's actually storm clouds. So when there's laser shows that make it lightning while you're watching movies and things, but that's personal and easy to come down. This bathroom is awesome. Beautiful cabinet. So every bathroom has different color cabinets and countertops. So kind of a fun idea. And then gorgeous tile work for the shower. And here would be bedroom number 4 with a good walk-in closet as well. It's pretty wide. And then we've got bedroom number 5 over here. This one's got a double door closet like this. Got to show you a couple of the utility rooms. Now this one has the furnace, high efficient furnace, and then 2 tankless water heaters. One for the main floor and the upstairs, and the other serves the basement. So you're definitely not running out of hot water. And the home already has a radon mitigation system installed. So everything is in tip-top shape. And then we got a little storage room here. So, and it's fully finished, carpet, everything's nice. And we got to show you the side yard. So this home has a larger backyard as well. All right, so this is the backyard, side yard area. It's got turf, mulch, kind of a zero-scape concept. Nice little fire pit and a concrete pad here as well. I love the hedge that they've got. Anyways, low maintenance yard that's nice to have. I hope you enjoyed watching this video tour and got a good feel for the layout of the home as well as some of the features and benefits of it. If you'd like to see it in person, feel free to reach out to me or the agent you're already working with and come and see this home. Thanks for watching.